Welcome again, my people. Nature Kid outside. With the uptown Harlem, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Walk with me. Let's see what's popping. Give thanks another day, you know? Today is a wet one outside. Yeah.
And right before the jungle bus.
Give thanks to another day. Walking through the city. New York, uptown with the Harlem. I set my paper. Give thanks to another beautiful day. You see it? I walk through the street, man. That's where I go on, you know? Another day. We give thanks and praise. I say, yo, big up Color Smith TV. You on the crew. You see me? Yeah, man, life of the greatest stuff, man. Another day, you know. Just leave Brooklyn. Jump on the train. Now I'm in Harlem. Uptown. Yeah. That's where I go on, you know. Don't know. Food truck. Get the taco them one thing. Yeah, my paper. African Square. No doubt. Yeah, as we step in on the street of Harlem, you check it outside with no fear. You know what I mean? It's a wet one outside to them people. KFC. Can't trouble the one in Jamaica. No deal, I'm not lie. KFC up and already. Not like Jamaica KFC, you know. Yeah. Ambulance a cut and go through. So them deliver my line up for deliver food at 6 today. I'm on the streets. Them a peeps. mention on the street, man. That is it, man. I'm not joke thing, man. See me, I say, give thanks and praise for them days, you know. Oh. Oh. Yeah, man, life are the greatest. Mm. See it on my paper. It's an uptown thing, you know. Alright, man, I tell you, sorry, you never ring out of them places, you know, brother. 7 days a week. Never stop. It never stop. I'm right now, Frederick Douglass, 125th Street. Frederick Douglass. You know?
Yeah.
See a lot of going on them store. See it? How you doing, mama? Everything good?
Last time we went in the lady for the church.
Yeah? I know me. It's not me.
Oh, I think she was sorry. He was doing the
Yeah.
thing and then
Respect, alright?
nice day.
You too, mommy. I saw you go. You know what thing go? She see me and thought I was someone else. But no, people look like people, you know, we're all Africans, you know? So we look alike, you know what I'm saying? That's a jada. See you up on the goal. I sell out the goal, let me know, brother. Come on, man, how you doing? Yeah. Uptown Harlem have a lot of Africans, you know. From the motherland, you know. Yeah. From the motherland. Yes, my face. Cut me, I cut down, I got show, you know. Right now, man. See it? Give thanks to life, my people. Life are the greatest. Yeah, my people. Yeah, it's outside. There you go. Give thanks and praise to life, you know. Yeah, man, life are the greatest thing, you know. You know what I say? With life, we have everything, man. I have nothing to worry about. God are the greatest. See what I did? Yeah. God are the greatest, you know. My youth, you can't believe this shit, man. Up to the time of paper, you know you go. One time, you know. Yeah. One of the papers. If you're into them things, you know what I'm saying? I saw the thing set up in the room, you know. I come check out that thing, but come at the store locked, start then I open till about 4 o'clock in the evening. You know. I really like that. But you know, I just one of them things that one day up on the ground same way, you know? Nah, man, I like. Nah, my thing, I like. We are going to give praises to this beautiful day in the city, you know. This is God are the greatest, you know. From there, you know, uptown style going on, yeah. Yes, the man. outside. Alright, man, I'm gonna circle. Subway right here, man. Yeah.
Out the room?
Yeah. Outside the nature kid, you know, I go. Nah, I'm all free, you know. A day like this, in the city, yeah.
They got this whole drama going on. All that shit with the group chat and all that shit.
Yeah, I'm walking on the street with nature kid. Down 125th. St. Nicholas. You know what I mean? Make a step through the city like, nah, man. Yeah, man. So the thing going up here. Nature outside, ever blessed, never stressed. Yeah. Some do it, man.
They like the clear ones, but they red.
Ahora sí es muy pobre.
Yeah, my people, up in the world nature, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, we give thanks to life around here. God are the greatest, though. Oh. So we do it, man. Step and go through. Nah, man, alright? Some of the uptown Harlem way. Light change, at my time to step now. Yeah. So we do it uptown every day, my people. Whenever I'm uptown, you know. Full style. My paper. Yeah, man. It's a bling bling, you know. Yeah. Up to the time.
Number one. Check out in the shopping department store.
On the street of hustle every day. Outside. Yes, man, that's how we do it, man. So we do it at Harlem, man. Sneaker lovers.
That's the fifth floor, and that's
One of them rope on my paper. Yeah. Up to the time I found. Yeah, man, I walk on the avenue with the whole of the shopping thing, you know, bro? Yeah. Shopping go on, I say, you know. Yeah, man. Outside, my fam. Stepping in a style uptown. Yeah, man, Harlem, New York. There we go. Yes, my paper. Like, share, and subscribe to Nature Kid Way. Art of Love. Blessed.